Good afternoon, welcome to Specialist Cars Tring. My name's Phil. I'll be working on your vehicle today. It's a complimentary vehicle health check video. It is a visual check just while you're in with us today for an MOT. We're going to be starting at your passenger front tyre. As you see, I've wrote on it 6mm. I'll just show you the digital gauge. The actual reading is 6.5mm, 6.81, so between 6 and 7mm. Basically a brand new tyre. To the driver's front tyre now, as you can see, 4.5. 4, so it's on 4mm. Your front pads are on 10mm. Quite difficult to see. See them up there. I have some gauges to show you. So this is a new pad thickness. Your pad thickness is over the top, so you can see you're not much off a new pad, and a warm pad is the red, so you can see you've got plenty left on your front pads. No leaks in the front shock absorbers, no play in the front suspension. To the passenger side, again, no fluid leaks in the suspension and no play in any of the arms, the suspension arms. Have found quite a bad buckle in the alloy wheel, might cause some wheel vibrations. It's not bad enough, I don't think, to lose tyre pressures. I know your tyre pressure warning light's on. They probably just need adjusting for now. Also, I've spotted an oil leak from the engine area. Does need looking into at some point. You see it stripping down. It might be that sump gasket, but would require investigation. And the exhaust system's all secure. Passenger rear tyre now is on 5mm. Show you the gauge. 5.4, 5.6. Has worn on the inner edge. I don't know if you can see in this video, but it's actually worn out of shape. It's like in a top of a castle. You see here, it's just risen. So you might get like a wheel bearing noise down the road. You can see, look, the tread's risen up here. So I would advise probably a tyre to be changed if you can hear the noise. To the driver's rear tyre, looks like it's not long been replaced. You can see it's on 7.2mm. Legal limit for tyres is 1.6mm. So to the rear brakes. So again, new pad thickness. Rear outer pad. The inner pad is slightly lower than the 8mm, so probably about 5 on this side. Your pad to a warm pad, as you can see. So you've got a bit left on your rear pads, just need to keep an eye on your CBS data in the car. Offside rear suspension, no fluid leaks in the shock absorbers, and no play in the arms. Unfortunately, this side, your rear coil spring's snapped. As you can see, noticed it was down on one side. It's actually gone to the bottom of the shock absorber. That is a failure of the MOT. Unfortunately as well, it has damaged the shock absorber itself. It's actually lifted the plate off the shock absorber. You can see, so it will require a new shock absorber and spring. Nothing else to report on this side. Our service advisor will be in contact shortly. It's just going to go for its MOT, because as this is only a visual health check, it obviously needs further checks for the MOT, and our service advisor will be in contact shortly. Thanks for your time.